So the main thing is you feel like this is less work.
Absolutely.
And you're not working as hard to deliver pressure.
Exactly.
Now, why is it I've been teaching this for 12 years and I can't get massage therapists to massively adopt what I'm teaching so that I can teach 10,000 students across the United States for $7 a month?
I just think it's just adapting to a new concept, I guess.
Proof of concept. Social proof. Once Kristen is in that cherry red convertible with Journey in the passenger seat driving down Highway 1, they'll listen. I do think it's easier to deliver, but we've got to be in a position to like package it and market it so that therapists actively want it. Your posture looks great right there, by the way. Does it feel like comfortable and everything? Yeah, because the way you were working right there looked like it was easier. Like you didn't look like you were straining at all. How we doing over here? You dying? Yeah. Once you have enough clients, you just keep building on that. Are you guys pretty much like booked out here? They don't let you schedule in advance? Interesting. Why did they do that? Once we get to the SEM or forward, I have to change things. Because when you get in front of the SEM, that's the line to the carotid, right? Because like in front of the SEM is where the carotid is. And like I'm gonna feel, like I'll actually put my finger in. Like that's the pulse right there. She's still alive. How's your SEM right there?
What do you think?
It feels kind of tight to me. So this upper portion where the SEM kind of thickens, and I don't know if you've looked at it anatomically, but it's got like the sternal head and something. I forgot to look at it, but it like thickens a little bit. It's got a sternal head and everything. Yeah. So the back side, am I compressing still SEM? A little bit. I'm still getting a little bit of the posterior side of SEM, but if I was going to work the SEM, I have a tendency to kind of crimp it that way and then start to like, you like up or down? You like forward or back? Because I'm still not pressing in the carotid. That's mainly the thing about the hand. I'm always going to do my best to like take you off your hands. And I think that this is a better tool. So you comfortable like that? Cool. She's just stretching and moving. I'm just making sure she's comfortable where she's at. Do you have like tight gluteals? Absolutely. So you can use your hands, but why not use your elbow on steroids? How's that? Because this is bigger and broader. Oh, a little more medius, a little more lateral. All right. So from there, do you want to go in towards the spine or out lateral? Yeah. Tell me when. Okay. Now down or up? Okay. Instead of oh shit was declared. Right there. Cool. Is that a good spot? Is that too deep? Cool. Because now my hands are free.
Yeah.
How's your rotator cuff over here? Cool. Right there? How's your tricep right here? Oh, okay, cool. Am I working one or both?
No.
Both. Rotator cuff. Don't drop your coffee on the client. You don't want to drop your coffee on the client. How's that right there? There we go. Now, the other thing is, this saves my hands, but in my case also, working with your legs and your lower extremities has a different energy signature. I, as a male therapist, and I know you'd allow me to do this, would you prefer I use my hands on your gluteals?
I don't care, but you use
It's subtle, but the thing is, when I'm working with a new client, a new female client to me, it makes them feel safer that I'm using another part of my body instead of my hands. Yeah.
Yeah, that's exactly what I do. And then I go with my elbow. Yeah. Oh, yes. Like when I touch you normally, I like come down. I can like grab your head and like like that. You like that? Yeah. They do. They love it. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I don't know why. That one? Ready for Jamaica. Ready for Jamaica.
Yeah. So what is it about the psoas?
Because I find that most people with low back pain, short hair, specific plexus are always infected. Wiggle. I feel weird with it.
Yeah, I don't know.
I think there's like
not yet.
There's a few. It's mainly on binoculars. Or the big bulky man. Does it have the box? Wait, you do this in session? Feet off the ground.
I'm sorry, if David can get away with so many years of using that weird tool that he does in his session, does he even wash
You had a tool?
Yeah,
He
he
does
washed
usually
it.
wash it.
He did.
One of those little wooden.
We just made sure no one was in the washroom with him.
I see.
Oh, it's fine.
Yeah,
But
I've
it's a
seen
little.
it a couple times.
I used to have one.
Fine, I didn't care about it.
No one else could do
I don't
it.
care if I make fun, whatever. Oh, she said how
Oh, yeah.
Oh, great.
Sometimes they'll be like,
Are you, what are you doing?
like when I come in.
Okay.
Get it.
What are you? Oh, shit. Feels good, don't it? Yeah. But I lower the table all the way down to my legs and I don't want to get here. Especially big men
Us?
that need glute work.
This is what you do?
I'm gonna have to do that.
Yeah. I'm tired of working on those guys.